everybody, this is Stacie from Waddell's Sales Floor. I want to talk with you today about watering needs and what we're going to be dealing with over this past week that we've started to get dry, and we're going to continue being dry over these next few days and probably weeks. Our grass is going to get very brown, very dry, very brittle, a little bit crispy. Definitely not the grass you want to walk barefoot through. So things we want to do when it comes to watering our lawn. Short bursts are great. Our grass roots are nice and short. They're nice and small. They're not in the ground very far. So we don't need to water nice and deep. So we're going to do short bouts of watering frequently. I would say 15 minutes to a half hour, very, very max. 20 minutes I think would probably be the longest I would recommend going. Do that once in the morning, once in the evening, and that's going to be ideal. In the evening, you want to do it early enough so that the ground can dry before that sun goes down. You don't want to leave that soil soggy. That's going to increase your chances of fungal activity, which we definitely don't want to deal with. We're dealing with a lot of fungal spores this year, and that dryness is really causing it. What's important when it comes to your watering program is making sure there's consistency. So as long as you're watering regularly and consistently on a regular basis, I think your grass is going to do just fine. When it comes to your trees and your shrubs, the important part is watering at the base. Overhead watering is a little bit of an issue. You can cause sun scorch, you're going to increase your fungal activity, and it's just better to water at the base. That's where our tree roots are. Grass roots are this deep, our tree roots are way down here. So up here, this 10 to 15 minutes is going to be great. For our tree roots, we need that long, consistent, slow watering. So when it comes to watering trees and shrubs, like Jackson has showed us in previous videos, we're going to do drop a hose right at the base of that tree or shrub, nothing more than a pencil width in diameter, or like I said, your pinky finger is a great point of reference. And you're going to leave that hose there just to water anywhere from 20 minutes to an hour and a half, depending on the size of that tree or shrub. The bigger it gets, the longer the time that you're going to water, and you're going to alternate sides even if it's really big. You know, one side on Tuesday, the next side on Friday, we'll say. But at least 2 to 3 days a week. A good rain day can be counted as a water day, but you want to be sure your vegetation is getting a minimum of an inch of water every single week.